Hello, good evening दोस्तों. This video is all about the flat and reducing rate of interest. Today we'll discuss about the rate, which is more confusing about when you look after the loan. So our today's topic is all about how the NBFCs and nationalized banks are charging rate of interest. So in most of the cases, NBFCs are charging rate of interest, which is actually a flat rate of interest. Flat rate of interest is not but a rate of interest which is charged on the loan amount for the full tenure of your loan. For say example, for 1 lakh rupee, if the bank is charging 10% rate of interest for the period of 5 years, the interest amount will come to rupees 50,000. So the whole amount 1 lakh plus 50,000 will be added, and this will be distributed in EMI of 60 months. So you can say that flat rate of interest is the rate of interest in which you have to pay the interest for the whole amount for the same principal amount. It means though you are paying EMI on the monthly date, but your principal is not reducing over a period of time, and you have to give the rate of interest or the interest charge in your account for the full period of amount for the 1 lakh only. So it means that flat rate of interest is much higher than the reducing rate of interest. Now we'll discuss the reducing rate of interest. What is reducing rate of interest? So guys, reducing rate of interest is the rate of interest in which whenever you are paying the EMI, proportionality, the principal is coming down and down and the rate of interest is reducing by the way. Similarly, gradually as you are paying the principal with your EMI. So in both cases, we can also understand this by an example. So I'm just giving you an example that how we can understand. By having the Google link, we can easily understand that how we can see the thing. Now I'm just sharing the screen with you. You have to type on Google the flat and reducing rate calculator. On the first option, we have to click, that is grow.in website. By looking that website, you can easily compare the rate of interest, what is flat and what is reducing. Just one parameter is given there that here is loan amount is 1 lakh, rate of interest is 10%, say tenure is in year, it is 5 years. So by giving these parameter, I will just to make you understand what is the amount you will get. So we have given the parameters. Now you can easily see that the calculator has given the difference of both rate, flat rate of interest and reducing rate of interest. See, in same loan of amount, in the same period, if you have taken the 1 lakh of loan amount and the rate of interest is 10% for the 5 years, you have to pay the rate of interest of rupees, rate of interest charge in account is 50,000 in case of flat rate, and in case of reducing it is 27,482. So you can see the flat rate is much higher, though if the rate of interest is lower than the reducing, then also the interest charged by the banks is higher. Most of the cases in the NBFCs, if you find, they are charging the flat rate of interest, and the nationalized bank, they are charging the reducing rate of interest. One more difference, guys. Generally, the flat rate is linked with the MCLR of the banks. It is the one rate of interest notation which is used by the banks, and the reducing rate of interest generally linked with the repo rate of the RBI. So as the repo rate changes, the reducing rate also changes, and you can see the difference. So if you want to compare, you can see that if the flat rate of interest is 5%, it is almost equal to 10% of the reducing rate of interest. So I think now you can understand the difference between the flat rate of interest and reducing rate of interest. So thank you very much guys for watching my video. I hope you understand what is the difference between flat and reducing. Now in our next video, we'll discuss about the fixed and floating rate of interest. See, these four terminologies are totally different. Now you just think about the flat and reducing rate of interest. In next video, we'll discuss about the fixed and floating rate of interest. Thank you. If you like, if you actually watched my video and found interesting, please subscribe my channel to view next video.
We've been waiting for so long.